And the directions tell us to evaluate each matrix expression, and if the operation is not possible, state that it is undefined. So these two matrices are going to be subtracted, and this guy has 2 rows and 3 columns. This guy has 2 rows and 3 columns. They are the same dimensions, so I can do this subtraction. And so I'm going to prepare my subtraction matrix here. So what's going to happen, I'm going to go straight down the first row and then down the columns here. So first row, first column, 3 and a negative 2. So 3 minus a negative 2 is the same as 3 plus 2. So I'm going to put a 5 in that first row and first column. First row, second column, negative 1 and 6. So negative 1 minus 6 will be a negative 7. To finish out the first row, I have the third column, so 6 and a 0. 6 minus 0 will be 6. So my first row is complete. Let's move on to the second row. So second row, first column, negative 5 and a 9. So negative 5 minus 9 will be a negative 14. Second row, second column, negative 1 and negative 5. Negative 1 minus a negative 5 will be the same as negative 1 plus 5, so that's going to be a 4. And finally, to finish out my second row and my third column here is a 3 and a 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and that finishes out my answer matrix. And I'm going to go ahead and close it up. So this is what I get when I subtract these two matrices.